The wait is almost over, and Samsung fans finally have a real date to get excited about. Earlier this month, trusted tipster Ice Universe dropped a big claim, saying Samsung is ready to unveil its next non-foldable flagship lineup, the Galaxy S26 series, on 25th February 2026 in San Francisco, United States. At the time, it sounded exciting but uncertain. Now it feels real. Hello and welcome. 2026, our mission is clear. Well-known leaker Evan Blass has stepped in and backed this up completely on X, confirming that Ice Universe's information is spot on. According to him, the 25th February launch date is locked in. His words were confident and clear, saying the date is 100% correct and can be trusted without doubt. So if you have been waiting for the Galaxy S26 series, this is your moment. You can officially circle 25th February 2026 on your calendar for the next Galaxy Unpacked event. When it comes to buying the phones, earlier leaks suggest Samsung plans to open sales in early March. However, there is a catch. Multiple reports hint that the Galaxy S26 lineup could arrive with a higher price tag than the Galaxy S25 series. This increase is expected even though major hardware upgrades may be limited, mainly because smartphone component costs are rising fast, especially due to ongoing memory shortages. In short, the launch date looks locked, the excitement is building, but your wallet might feel it too. A fresh wave of color is shaping the S26 Ultra's identity, and it feels like Samsung is gearing up for something bigger than usual. The first hints from Ice Universe suggest a mix of classic elegance and a bold new attitude. And honestly, the excitement is already building. Early details confirm white and silver as two of the main finishes. Both carry that clean, premium look Samsung is known for, the kind of polished metal tone that instantly signals ultra quality. But the real spotlight is on the new purple finish. The way it's being teased makes it feel like Samsung wants this one to steal the show. Expect a deeper, richer purple that jumps out in marketing shots and looks striking on store shelves. Then comes the second wave of news. After weeks of leaks, Samsung has finally confirmed the Exynos 2600 and its upcoming launch. A short teaser video gave us our first official look. It opens with Samsung admitting the shortcomings of older Exynos chips, with the line, "In silence, we listened," before shifting into confidence with phrases like refined at the core and optimized at every level. The Exynos 2600 is expected to be the first 2nm smartphone chipset to hit the market, and early tests show it can stand shoulder to shoulder with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. Samsung is planning to debut this chip with the Galaxy S26 lineup, though not every region will get it. With a new signature color and a next-generation chipset, the S26 Ultra is shaping up to deliver a fresh identity backed by serious power. Samsung's current non-foldable flagship, the Galaxy S25 Ultra, comes in a stunning array of colors. If black is your vibe, you get to choose between two sleek options, jet black and titanium black. The jet black dazzles with a fully black panel and frame, while titanium black mixes a black panel with a silver frame, giving each a distinctly different feel. Even among blacks, the shades tell their own story, but things might get even more exciting with the Galaxy S26 Ultra, the brand's upcoming non-foldable flagship. According to Ice Universe on X, the Galaxy S26 Ultra's black variant will sport a black frame, no more silver like the titanium black of the S25 Ultra. This tweak is subtle but impactful, making the display bezels appear bolder and more pronounced. That doesn't mean Samsung is limiting your choices. Just like before, there could still be two black options, titanium black and jet black. Both may feature black frames, but expect the shades to be strikingly different, giving you a fresh take on classic black.